Now you're able to choose the brightness of it. Not only that, but you're able to choose between the digital clock or the pointer, as you see. Now on digital, it will give you more options, like if you want to add the step count, distance. Hi tech friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna have the unboxing of this Gt4 Pro. If you like this style of Huawei watch, this might be a budget option for you. Let's do a quick unboxing and go through the features. Please let me ask you again, if you like the videos, hit that like button. It will be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let's get started. First, as you see, you can choose between these two different colors, silver and black. Of course, you will find different kind of straps that you can choose to, silicone and leather. That will be up to you. When we remove the cover, first thing we will see is this protector right here. Let's move it out of the way. Next is the user manual. It comes in English and Chinese. Of course, you will come with the QR code to scan it and download the app on Android and iOS as well. Let's move this out of the way. Next, we come with the straps right here. You can see they are silicone, but you can choose leather. You will find different options. Then we find the charger cable, type A on this end, and the charging station for the watch on the other. Finally, we have the smartwatch. There we have it closely. Let's remove the protector. And this is how it will look. Very well built. It feels premium on your hand. If we go on the right side, we come with the crown right on the bottom. It has that red circle right there. I think you can see on the video, we come with the microphone right here, the second button on the bottom. On the back, we come with the sensor and charging interface. We have 4 screws, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. And on the left side, we had the speaker right below the metal chassis. Now, be honest with you, at this point, the page doesn't say what kind of material is this. It seems like stainless steel, but I cannot tell you if it is. One thing that I know is that not regular metal. So I won't be able to confirm you, but it seems like stainless steel. I like that touch right there. If you can see right here, it has that matte finish, but all the circle around the screen, it has that shiny touch that makes it look pretty cool. If we take the measurements from this angle, we come with 47.7 millimeters on this side, and its thickness is 14.5. About weight, 46.1 grams. Let's go ahead and put the straps on, 22 millimeters, in case you wanna buy a different color. Very easy to install. Perfect. This is how it will look with the straps on. There we have it. It looks really nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on. For that, we press the second button right here on the bottom and hold it. And that will be the first watch face. I see the dynamic island is already on, but there we have it. High definition 1.6-inch screen, 360 by 360 pixels, 300 milliamps hour battery. IP68, even like that, I won't recommend you to submerge this in water or take showers every day with it. Bluetooth 5.0, and it pairs to iOS system and Android as well. Of course, we will come with shortcuts on some dials. If we go ahead and turn the crown, it will switch between all the dials that it will offer. That one right there looks pretty cool. Looks like the watch face is real deep, and then the crystal on the top is like 3D. If we keep on going, here we have another one with a lot of shortcuts available. I think on this one you can clearly see the dynamic island. We come with the feature that you cover with your hand and the screen will turn off. From top to bottom, we come with the shortcuts panel. Here we can turn on the pointers. We will come with 2 different ones. This is the analog, and this one right here will be the digital. It will tell you the time, validity percentage, and date. Don't worry, we come with both formats, 12 hour and 24, so we can change this very easy. If we swipe from left to right, we will get in this new UI. Of course, you can touch on the icons and it will take you straight there. To the other side, it will show you the widgets. You can add the ones you need or delete the one you don't want to show. From bottom to top, we will find our notifications. If we press the crown, it will take us to the apps menu. We press it twice, it will switch between different styles that will offer us. You can scroll down, turning the crown or using your finger on the screen. There we have another style. Now, something pretty cool is that from settings, you can switch what do you want the crown does when you press twice real quick or when you press and hold. It will give you those two different options. You can open the app you want. So it's customizable. Now I gotta set it up. When I press twice, it will take us to the calendar just as you see. So you can choose what the crown does when you press it twice or press and hold. The bottom button will turn off the screen or turn it on, and if you press and hold, you will be able to turn it off or make an emergency call. If we go to the apps, I will pass it real quick for you guys. You can see which one we count with. Remember, this is an unboxing. I don't know that much about this smartwatch. I just got it on the mail. So I will have to test it, and that way I can talk to you more about how the apps goes and you know, battery life. That's it right there. Now if we go on settings, from here you can turn on off the Iceland screen off time. You can go from 5 seconds, talking about the main one, to 1 minute, but not only that, we count with always on display on the main screen. Yes, the screen will remain always on. Now we count with pointers too, I already showed you, but this one, once you turn it on, you can go from 5 seconds to a maximum of 180 seconds. You can turn on off the gesture mode, vibration. You got 3 different settings. Choose the do not disturb time. Languages, let's take a second right here. That way you can see all the ones we count with. I go all the way to the bottom. That's it right there. You can change the time manually. The NF feature, remember this is for open smart doors, open apps on your phone. It's not for pay method yet. And some other adjustments that you can make from settings. Now, in case of a new notification, it will vibrate, turn on the screen and show you that you had a new message. You just touch on the Iceland. The red dot means you haven't checked that message, so you just touch on it and you can read the content. That it is in case that you have the Iceland on. But in case you have it off, it will vibrate, turn on the screen and show you the content at once. And I know you want to know in case of a long message how it will look. There we have it. You will be able to scroll down just a little bit, but that's all it will show on the screen. Basically, fine lines. But hello, how are you? What are you doing? Stuff like that won't be a problem. Now, in case of a call, there we have it. It has a ringtone. You can turn that one off if you want. You will be able to hang up, answer the call. It will show you your name if you had the contact already added to the list. You can answer, control the volume. It has a good speaker, by the way. Send the call to the smartphone and back to the watch. Mute, and finally, hang up. Now, when you pair it to the app, RD Fit, this is how it will look. I know you want to know about the watch faces. We will count with some very cool ones. A lot where to choose from of this type, but digital too. Right here, we're gonna count with a lot more too. But not only that, you can customize your own. Right here, you will be able to upload a picture from your gallery. I got this one right here. Let's crop it. There we have it. Now you're able to choose the brightness of it. Not only that, but you're able to choose between the digital clock or the pointer, as you see. Now on digital, it will give you more options, like if you want to add the step count, distance, calories, it will depend on you. It will show you different options, and if we keep on going, you can choose the color of the time. We have some already pre-made, or you can choose your own color. Let's leave that one right there, and now we just save it. And perfect, already finished the process. When we turn on the screen, this is how it will look. You know, I really like how we can customize a lot of things right here, so it's pretty cool. But let me know what you think. Well, the friends, on our wrist, this is how it will look. Let me know what you think. It looks very nice and premium. Let's change the watch face. You know, this one right here looks very interesting because it has that touch, like it's all the way on the bottom and then the crystal on top. Let me put it closely. Look at that. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Now for battery and how the sensor goes, I will have to make another video. And that is a really hard part because I had to test so many smartwatches. But usually I do that on my other channel. Well, tech friends, that being said, take care and I'll see you in the next one.